Assalamualaikum guys. In this video I will show you how to repair Samsung J7 Pro, J5 Pro not charging, not turning on. It's not a power IC, it's a different problem. I will show you step by step how you can fix if you have same problem. Look, after connect charger not charging, even I press power button, no response, nothing. If you have same problem, and first time I was opening this phone, okay, now I will check by meter, and power supply voltage is reading. So how we can't find the problem. Firstly, if you have any hardware phones, ask the owner about the treatment, how it's going off, if sometime water damage or fall down, or someone tried to fix it before. This board is clean without to repair someone. First time I open it, but the customer, he was told me that was Wi-Fi problem before. Suddenly Wi-Fi connects, then again Wi-Fi lost, O2 lost. When he tried to connect Wi-Fi, it was off suddenly. So after I connect charger, look there, it's battery positive line, not going short, it's battery. Now I connect charger, outgoing voltage it's not normal, 1.66 voltage. Their positive line battery 0, not going passing output voltage, and there outgoing voltage is normal 5 volt. Now I will try first time near the section Wi-Fi, because the customer was statement it was a Wi-Fi problem before. Then when he turned it on Wi-Fi, it was going suddenly off. Okay, so I will try first Wi-Fi section, maybe it will going short or any fault. After checking the Wi-Fi section, if there's normal everything's, we will try IC charging. Now I will try first Wi-Fi section, because customer treatment was before Wi-Fi problem. There positive normal mode reading, and there is here is going short. Going short, abnormal reading meter. Now I will try to remove Wi-Fi IC carefully. After removing the Wi-Fi IC, I will check again by meter. Okay, I have done. Look, after remove Wi-Fi IC, here now reading normal mode. Before here was shorted this component capacitor. Yes, now normal mode. I think now is ready to power on my device. And also I don't have right now a new Wi-Fi IC, and just I will check now. My phone is now working or no. If the same not turning on, I will try the charging power IC. Yes, not charging. So maybe battery blank. Wait few seconds for percentage on screen. Yes, now charging normally. So when I have a new IC Wi-Fi, I will change it, replace it Wi-Fi IC, and it's working. Everything's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything's now phone is running without the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth section.